is we go to Sankey Tank.
Sankey Tank?
Dude, Sankey Tank. It's a lovely day, man. Let's go spend some time with nature, dude.
Can we stop by Pottery Town?
You know what? You couldn't have asked me at a better time. We're just heading there right now.
Okay.
Come on, guys. They have some awesome artistry and crafts over there. So, this is Rajshekhar shop in Pottery Town, and these are the wares that we have bought of his. Where are we going now? Now, my friend, we're going to Sankey Tank.
Tell me something about this place.
Sankey Tank has been here for ages now. It was built in 1882 by Colonel Richard Hiram Sankey
Okay.
to cater to the drinking water needs for Bangaloreans back then. Nice thing about this place is there's so many families that come, so many people who come to run. And you know, there are all these vendors outside, they make excellent chaat. Takka takka, takka takka, takka takka. It used to be the first lake that offered boating within the city. Can you believe it?
Yeah.
Boating and fishing within the city.
Nice.
And of course, it was a part of the private property of the Maharaja of Mysore, right?
Oh.
So then they gave this away for development. That's why it's called Palace Orchards.
Oh.
We are the Bangalore Seacoast Sport. Vote, like, share, comment, and of course, please share your feedback with us and help us win this beautiful car.